What's up, guys? I want to show you the trade that I took today. I did actually record it, and here we can see that I got tapped in around here. I'm going to show you everything about this, but whatever, got tapped in here, then scaled out of my position, or did take profit for around 3,000. It was around 3,300. Yeah, cool. So, why did I take this trade? First and foremost, let's understand the most important thing, which is going to be general market structure, general bias. On the higher time frames, I wanted to see longs, right? Off rip, we're getting supported by this new week opening gap, and we have an SMT, a bullish SMT with that. Now, my levels indicated that we were bouncing from one of these levels on ES and not on NQ. So zooming in, I see that, yeah, we're respecting our new week opening gap midpoint, and I'm ready to look for a long, you know. Now I didn't enter longs because I wanted to see some displacement higher, and we just ripped up. I just didn't get an entry, so why did I take shorts? Shorts were valid here, but a lot of people, I'm sure, took shorts around here. Something that I wanted to wait for was Asia session high, and once we got that, we did an SMT, but we did leave a very obvious strong liquidity, which we then took out. So looking at this, we see that we're tapping into our -1, we're tapping into our new week opening gap, and we're tapping into our Asia session high. All I wanted to see was confirmation that we were going to go lower. I saw this CASD, but more importantly, I wanted to just look for a discounted area to get an entry, and for me that was here. That was right above fucking the 50% zone, and I was just targeting a little bit lower down here because I knew that we were gonna dig deeper in here. I just didn't want to get too greedy. I thought that we were gonna get to the midpoint, and that was my take profit. So we stalled around here, really good TP area, and yeah, I mean, pretty solid play. Once we started displacing lower, I think once we got a closure down here, I trailed my stop down to there, and then once we actually got way lower, I started trailing my stop harder. But my main confluences for this trade were, I'm not sure if there was an SMT, let me check one more time, a lower time frame SMT. No SMT. It was literally just reading price action. When we pump this hard off rip, we're gonna want to go lower, right? Market open left a very, very clear low, which is going to be that 930 low, and it was kind of inevitable for us to reach that point. Now, again, why did I take profit where I took profit and not hold to this low? This is midnight open. Midnight open is a great place to reverse, right? That was my target too for longs. Okay, this midpoint gap and this low, I decided to go to the lowest point, and it was going to be this midpoint low in the general area. And yeah, I mean, a pretty simple trade today. I'm gonna edit the video, put it on the short form, and I think that's running through everything. I'm still bullish. I want to see if I can take a little scalp before I end the year off. Tapping into this 5-minute, getting a continuation higher to previous day high. I see that we have not, we're very bullish on ES, and following suit, I think that we're going to hit previous day high on NQ, and we're not going to hold this bearish SMT. But yeah, that's why I did what I did. I don't think there's anything else. Now, I do want to say one thing before I end this. Alpha Futures is running a 40% off discount, but I am also running a little giveaway of my own. Right? For those who use my code on Alpha Futures, you're going to be entered into the giveaway. Just DM me with proof that you use my code. Super simple. And I'll be giving away like 3 funded accounts. Yeah, that's it. I think I covered everything. And I'm gonna be very consistent with these every single day. And if you guys need anything, let me know. Any questions, let me know. I got y'all.